So what is the difference between a high ticket transformation online program versus a low ticket program for online coaching? If you're a health and fitness coach and you're just confused on which one of these high ticket, low tickets is the best option for you to pursue in your coaching business and get to the next level, then this video is for you. With high ticket, this is a price point where you guys can sell this for anywhere from $1,000 to $3,000. Duration wise, I would say anywhere from maybe 8 to 16 weeks for this program, okay? The low ticket program is gonna be simply just month-to-month continuity. Some people might go super low, which you don't wanna do, which is like $100 a month. We're always gonna say go to $300 to $500 per month for this, okay? But there's downfalls to the whole low ticket thing as opposed to the high ticket, and I'll break that down in a minute. But let's just focus on, again, the big differences with the high ticket. The high ticket is almost like your guys' Lamborghini. It could be your Ferrari, it could be the Bentley, the Bugatti, whatever car you guys like. That is pretty much that badass vehicle that your health and fitness client is looking for to get them to the end destination. You're actually gonna build that Lamborghini, put them in it, and they're gonna drive off and ride off to the sunset to reach their health and fitness goals. But again, with the high ticket offer, right? The biggest thing is you guys have a specific outcome with a specific deadline. Maybe your high ticket offer, is, hey, I'm gonna help you lose 20 pounds in 12 weeks. That is a very specific number of 20 pounds down with the outcome. And then the deadline is 12 weeks. So where they're like, okay, I could see myself paying $3,000 to lose 20 pounds in 12 weeks, sign me up. As opposed to the low ticket, right? There's not really an outcome because you can't get much done, guys, in a 1 month. And churn rate with the month to month is gonna be very high because, they're not locked into a commitment as opposed to the high ticket, which is anywhere from 12 to 16 weeks. Like I said, you could do 8 weeks, but that's really not gonna cut it. And you might be thinking, okay, cool, like I understand that analogy, Eric, but why would somebody still wanna pay me, $1,000 to $3,000 for an online program? And again, guys, I said it's because of the outcome and the deadline. And here's the thing too, with a high ticket offer, it's way more hands-on and high touch with this client because again, they're getting more access to you, more accountability. It's more hand-holding with this client to help them execute and adhere to the program as opposed to a low ticket where it's like, if they're paying you $100 a month, I mean, be realistic, guys, like know your worth and value and raise your standards to where it's like, you shouldn't be giving this person a lot of time. It's pretty much just like a one-off program that's customized to them that they can still get results, but it's nowhere near, having them feel heard, understood, and valued, and giving them hope, accountability, and certainty with the high ticket program to reach that end destination. Several coaches, just like you in our Dynamic Fit Pros program, our accelerator mentorship, to where they are executing this, like they are literally from scratch, building this Lamborghini of a high ticket transformation offer, really understanding why it's so powerful and how to sit there and position it and sell it to their perfect future client. Once you build this high ticket transformation offer, your guys' level of conviction is gonna go through the roof. And that's a lot of the things that you guys are missing, right? Is your guys' level of conviction is very, very low right now. And that's okay, right? That's why you're watching videos like this. You're trying to sit there and get educated and learn the right way to do this. If you have a very low level of conviction in yourself and what you're delivering, don't you think that your client's gonna sense that energy and they're gonna be like, why would I not wanna go with another coach that's, confidence, certainty, belief, and courage muscles are so much more stronger and built as opposed to the person that doesn't have that. Just think about it, guys. It's like you guys hiring a business coach. Don't you wanna go with a business coach that is very high in their conviction that they could help you with their proven systems, blueprint to get you to the end destination? That's what you guys gotta think about. And one last thing between the high ticket and low ticket offers, you guys have to understand, right, that if you're trying to scale your guys' online coaching business to get to a 6-figure business and selling $100 low ticket programs per month, even just doing the math, if you have 10 low ticket clients paying you $100, that's just $1,000, guys. What is $1,000 per month gonna get you guys in today's economy with such high inflation prices? It's not gonna cut it. And then let's just, compound that. Let's say you have 50 clients paying you $100. That's barely $5,000. So why not think quality over quantity, have less clients paying you a higher premium to where then you could sit there and scale your guys' business to a 6-figure business. That's the way you guys gotta think about it. And those low ticket clients, they can turn out to be headaches, guys, because they're not paying a high premium and they're just gonna be, ask you tons of questions. They're not gonna adhere. And it just goes back to the old saying, people that pay attention. People that pay more, pay more attention. All right, if you're an online health and fitness coach and you are struggling right now and stuck between 3K months, we have a free online workshop just for you that helps you solve those issues. So it's literally how to break through that cycle of being stuck at 3K months and build a predictable income system to sit there and build a six-figure business. So if that's something you're interested in, hit stop really quick, pause, go to the show notes, click the link below and watch that video and just put all these action tips into action. Okay, now that you guys understand the difference between a high ticket offer versus a low ticket offer, the thing is, what I see is a lot of people have this knowledge, but why are they not executing it? You could have all this knowledge, but it's like you don't really know how to put all that into play. Like I said, a high ticket offer is like building a Lamborghini. There's a lot of elements and layers to do in this, guys, to where you can't just say, hey, I'm gonna give you an exercise and nutrition program, go follow it, here's the invoice for $2,000 to $3,000. It doesn't work that way. There's a lot of layers and components to it. And in our six-figure formula that we teach to our Dynamic Fit Pro students in our program is literally 8 different components to building this high ticket offer. 8, guys, 8 different components to start, build, and position this high ticket offer to sell for $1,000 to $3,000. Being a health and fitness coach is not always about saying yes. A lot of it comes with saying no to your guys' clients because it's gonna save you a lot of time, headache, and a lot of money. Watch the next video on how to solve this issue.